so very excited that today I get to share with you the summer closet outfit planner. And so if you pre-ordered yours back when we had the spring out, some of you did that, then you already have it and you know how fabulous it is. And if not, well, you can get it. You can still get it. And so we just released it yesterday, and we are so super excited about it. My assistant was putting together a few things on the back end. She's really our back end integrator and really works with all things tech and computer and all of that kind of thing. And she said, I think this is my favorite one yet. I'm thinking, yep, I think it is too. So one of the things that we did this season is that we actually added a bathing suit, and we added a bathing suit section because we know how many of you have trouble finding a swimsuit. And so I don't know if you still call it a bathing suit or a swimsuit or what you call it, but I go back and forth. But let me walk you through the planner so you can see what it is. I'm actually going to walk through the cool planner with you because I know a lot of you are cools and it's just so pretty. They're actually all beautiful, but I'm a warm, and so I sometimes like to play with the other planners just to because they're different than what I have in my wardrobe. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Well, one of the things before we pull that up on the screen, one of the things I want to tell you is that what we did this season is that we actually brought over some of the pieces from spring. And that way you don't have to, think about, oh, do I have to get new pieces? You may already have these because you have built your spring wardrobe. And then we added summer pieces to it. So I don't think it's half and half. We added more pieces than we brought over, but you can certainly bring over more pieces from your spring planner and you'll get more mix and match combos than any of us. So in spring, we had 4 colors. So we had navy, we had white or off-white, depending on which one was better for you. We called it star white. Star white was one of the Pantone trend colors. And so it was kind of like a white, off-white, kind of right in there. So if you like white better, you can go there. If you like off-white better, you can go in that direction. And then we gave you 2 trend colors from the Pantone collection. Well, what we did is we brought all 4 of those colors over into the summer planner, but we added a pop color for you, and just such a treat. So here's what we do. We're going to go ahead and go through the cool planner and show you what it is. But before we do that, let me tell you the colors that we added for each of you. If you're warm, you got this lovely turquoise that I have on, and it's beautiful. I was out shopping with a group of friends and somebody looked at it and said, I think this would be better on a cool or a light. And as we all kind of got together, it was like, you know what? It works for everybody. And especially when it's got a little bit of brown in it here, and it also has some purple. So bringing that over from spring was just perfect. So I picked it up for a really good deal. And so it's a long duster, super cute. But so turquoise is for warm. And for our cools, we added what's called pink carnation. You're going to see that here in just a minute. So we added pink carnation for you, beautiful pink color. For our clears, we added hot pink because it just looks so great on you. And if you've got that high contrast coloring, the hot pink is just stunning. And the catalog, when it links over, and I'll explain all that in a minute, it's just beautiful. Softs are getting soft peach, a beautiful kind of light coral, pretty peach tone, just beautiful. The lights are getting sky blue, and the deeps are getting French blue, which is a stronger, just a strong blue. It's just beautiful, kind of a bright blue, but yet it's got some depth in it and just beautiful. So love the pop colors that we added to the 4 colors that are bringing over from spring. So there's that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cool planner so you can see just how it's set up. So we welcome you with a letter in there from me, and then it moves on to a just kind of an overview of your patterns, your color patterns and your pattern patterns. So the colors we give you and the patterns. One of the patterns we popped in this time is gingham, because gingham is really big for summer, and so we wanted you to make sure that you had that. But we're still carrying over tie-dye, and actually we're adding tie-dye because in the spring it was more of we called it a blurred mosaic. And so you can use that, or you can find some great tie-dye that's out in the season, especially in kimonos. You'll find a lot of that. So that's a great place. So, and you'll see we're bringing floral back, and stripes are always big for summer. So especially a navy and white stripe, which is right in your planner. All right, then we move on to the closet checklist. And so what we want you to do with this, if you've never used the planner before, this is a great time to try this. So what you do is you download the PDF. You're going to get this in your inbox. It's 15-page PDF. By the way, it's only $27, so not going to break your bank. And so hopefully it's not going to. And if it is, then we don't want you to get it. But it's what we want you to do is get that closet checklist once you download, and then inventory your closet. Bring your summer pieces out. Last week on the video, I talked about how to bring your summer pieces forward and start working with those. I spoke with Jerusha. She's our thrifting guru around here at Fashion Meets Faith. She really helps us know how to work, pick up our things in thrift stores and consignment stores. And so take the closet checklist, and there's a list for got it and need it. And so if you already have it in your wardrobe, you check it out. If you don't, then that's something that you need to look for. And if you can shop at your consignment stores, your thrift stores, or you know what to look for in your local boutiques or department stores. But a really great thing is if you don't want to leave your house, we actually link to online shopping. And so super helpful. We hit all the body shapes, all the different styles. So there's that, but I'll point that out to you in just a minute. So closet checklist, do that first. 27 pieces in every wardrobe. That's what we work with around here, a 27-piece wardrobe. Then you're going to look at and see the pieces laid out. You're going to get your bottoms, your tops, your layering pieces, your dresses. And so you can see what we did and what we pulled over from spring. I think right here we pulled over the white skirt, we pulled over the white pant, and then we added the other things. And so you have that. When it comes to your natural bottom, I didn't come out right, did it? When it comes to the natural, we have on there the wide leg bottoms in the color natural. Depending on what color code you are, just know that if you're a clear or a cool, don't go for like the beigey. You want to go more for like a taupey color, or white. You could just go for the pure white, but don't get your linen too yellowy. All right, so it just needs to be a cooler tone. And so love the whole look that we wanted for this season was one of just summer breezy, that linen, that very comfortable cotton feel. And so hopefully when you see the planner, you'll see what I mean by that. So, all right, I think we achieved that for this season. So really excited about it. All right, so you'll see the pieces laid out. Then you're going to see, bottoms, then you're going to go to the tops, then you're going to go to the layering pieces, and you're going to get the swimsuit in there. You're going to get the skirt and a dress in there, two dresses and a skirt. You're also going to see that we added a beach hoodie. We added a caftan, which is just so fun. I have one right behind me. The caftan is just that long, fashionable piece that you can wear while you're at the beach. You can wear it when you come out of the sun. You can even wear it out to dinner. Just make sure if it's white, it's not see-through, because not that I left the house in my caftan, but I did see myself in a picture, or actually a little video we were doing for somebody. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wear that on black underwear. So yeah, it didn't work. So anyway, but wear it over your bathing suit, or wear, if it's a color, then it doesn't matter. So anyway, we've linked to some beautiful caftans in the outfit planner. So make sure to check that out. And then we have the 30 outfit pairings. And so we put together 30 different outfit ideas for you, laid them out. You can see the shoes, the accessories, everything. We don't link to shoes and accessories, but you can see exactly what that looks like and how we have it put together, whether it's a beach hat with it, or so much fun, scarf, all of that, tote bag. And then we give you the chart where we have over 120 combinations that we just have a check mark. If this goes together, you check it off and it works. So we are super excited about the planner. And you know, I do talk a lot about the planner because I think it helps you so much. I was going through some comments that had come in from some women when I asked, you know, what problem has this solved for you? And the comments were incredible. And they were saying things like, now I know how to mix and match. Now I have a wardrobe that is much smaller but concise. Now I have a wardrobe that I have more outfit combinations. One woman said that she was able to pack for a 5-day trip in 30 minutes. All she did was go in and pull her pieces. And so it really does make your life much easier. One woman said how much money she was saving. And so I don't know what it is for you. One woman said, you know, it takes away decision fatigue. Now she just walks into her closet and says, oh, this is exactly what I want. So what I want to wear today. And so whatever it is for you, just know that I believe that the Closet Outfit Planner is a solution for you, and not one that's like, oh my goodness, you know, super expensive. It's not. Like I said, it's only $27, but it's a way for you to really know what to put together, what to wear, and have a wardrobe that serves you, that looks beautiful on you, and one where you can feel confident in the outfits that you chose. So I hope that you will enjoy this summer Closet Outfit Planner. And until next week, I will see you then. Bye-bye.